Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to another exciting episode on Genius Junkie, your go-to channel for mastering design with Canva. Today, we're diving into the world of infographics. Whether you need to present data for a report, a presentation, or social media, infographics are a fantastic way to make information engaging and easy to understand. So, let's get started on creating professional infographics with Canva. First, head over to canva.com and log in to your account. If you don't have one yet, it's quick and easy to sign up. Once you're in, type infographic in the search bar. Canva offers a wide range of infographic templates, perfect for different topics and styles. For this tutorial, I'll select a simple and clean template. Click on the one that suits your needs. Here's where the magic happens. Start by changing the text to match your data. Click on any text box to edit. For example, I'll change this title to Top 5 Ways to be Successful in Business and update the body text with relevant points. Next, let's personalize the colors. Click on any element to change its color. Use your brand colors or choose a color scheme that matches your topic. Now, let's add some images. Canva has an extensive library of icons and illustrations. You can also upload your own images. Want to include charts or graphs? Canva has built-in tools for that. Go to the Elements tab, search for Charts, and drag the chart type you need into your design. Enter your data, and Canva will automatically generate the chart for you. Make sure everything is aligned and looks balanced. Use grids and guidelines to keep your design neat. Once you're happy with your infographic, double-check for any typos or errors. Finally, it's time to download your infographic. Click on the Share button, then Download. Choose your preferred file type. PNG is great for online sharing. And hit Download button. And there you have it. Your professional infographic is ready to impress. Canva makes it so easy to create stunning visuals. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.